الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا.
You look great.
You look great. What?
You can't cry.
Oh, you stop crying.
من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له ونشهد أن سيدنا ونبينا محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين.
Flowers are great.
I did them.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You're beautiful. Look at the pearls. This is beautiful. Really.
You look so good.
Thank you.
I like the suit.
I did
You
my-
did a good job. You see the back?
Oh, wow. It's very nice. Yeah. I like it a lot.
You ready?
I'm ready. You ready? Okay.
And we're ready to go.
And then he says that he has created your spouses for you. In other words, in Islam, we're not meant to be individuals who live alone. We're supposed to be individuals who get married. Marriage is encouraged in our faith. And living with family, around family, being with family is something which is highly encouraged in our tradition. But the specific verse is that he has created your spouses for you so that you may find tranquility. Sukun is the Arabic word, tranquility in your relationship with your spouse. And the recipe for that success, per God Almighty's words, are mawaddah and rahmah, affection and mercy.
Here we go. Dive into the great unknown, the road.
أما بعد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كلامه المجيد والفرقان الحميد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا فقد قال تعالى يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون فقد قال تعالى يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما فقد قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم النكاح من سنتي فقد قال فمن رغب عن سنتي فليس مني أو كما قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. Kelsey, do you accept Malik as your husband in the presence of the witnesses, with the mahar and the gift being the agreed upon amount?
Yes.
Malik, do you accept Kelsey as your wife in the presence of the witnesses, with the mahar being the agreed upon amount?
Yes.
Repeat after me. نكحتها
نكحتها
قبلتها.
قبلتها.
Which means he has accepted the proposal and he has married her. بارك الله لكما وجمع بينكما في خير. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما. Oh God, oh Allah, on this beautiful day and this beautiful gathering filled with beautiful individuals and families and friends, we ask that you make this relationship a beautiful one, an everlasting one. Fill it with your divine protection and happiness. Allow them to be happy and content with each other, for as long as they live, Ya Allah. Guide them in this journey, protect them in this journey, look after them. Allow the two individuals, the two families to come together in goodness. We seek from you goodness in this life and the hereafter. Oh Allah, we ask that you fill our minds, our hearts, our families, our homes, our cities, the entire world with peace. Oh Allah, you are peace, the giver of peace. We seek peace from you in all of our endeavors. Oh Allah, accept our dua. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. ألف مبروك إن شاء الله. بارك الله فيكم.
Love this life, yeah, it feels alright. And there's no reason to stop believing. Love this life, and the future's bright. And there's no reason to fight this feeling. Yeah, love this life, yeah, love this life, yeah, love this life, yeah, love this life. For the first time, from the bird's eye, coming into view, it changes everything. From the coastline, with a sure sign, caution to the wind, to hear in front of me loud.
We advise the bride and groom this afternoon to always be kind and affectionate and merciful to each other throughout the course of this relationship. One of the verses that we do recite in the nikah ceremony, in the marriage ceremony, is one in which we're reminded to be truthful in our covenant to God Almighty. We're reminded that if you're truthful to God, if you're someone who obeys God, if you're someone who's conscious of God, then God teaches you through His Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace and blessings of God be upon him, to be truthful in your relationship with each other. And one of the most important things that we culminate our wedding ceremonies with happens to be prayer. The Arabic word for it is dua. It's essentially beseeching, asking God to make this union a blessed one.